Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in our last class we have done till question number 5 from self practice 8F. So in our today's session we are going to start with question number 6. Alright. In the month of March, okay, Preeti saved rupees 980.75. Rita saved rupees 1275.50 in the month of March only, and Rohit saved is equal to 425.90 less than Rita. How much did they save together? Okay, it's very easy. Only the complication is with the Rohit. That is, direct amount is not given. They have said that Rohit saved 425 rupees 0.90 paise less than the Rita. Yeah, that is mean you have to subtract. Okay, I'll show you the process. No issue. Let us start writing. As it is a word problem, so we have to write the statement. Okay, money saved by them in March. Okay, by Preeti first of all is equal to rupees 980.75, right? And then Rita by Rita is equal to rupees 1275.50. Yes. Then Rohit, how much? First of all, let's do a calculation for Rohit. Okay, because Rohit saved is equal to 425.90 less than Rita, right? So 1275.50 minus 425.90. Okay, you have to subtract. What meaning is, Rita is saving this amount, and by this much less amount is saved by the Rohit. Now let us do the subtraction. 0, 15, right? So 1 is going to 1. This 5 is going to get 1 by this 5. So 4 here. So 15 minus 9 here is 6. 4 minus 5 is not possible, so again 1 will be delivered to 4 by 7. So 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 6 it is. 6 minus 2 is 4. And 2 minus 4 is not possible, so 12 minus 4 is 8. So it is by Rohit, how much money saved? How much money was saved? 849.60. This much amount of money was saved by Rohit. As in the question, the direct amount is not mentioned for Rohit. They said that Rohit saved rupees this much less than Rita. That means we have to do a subtraction in a rough. Then we will write the amount here. Okay. So money saved by them is, let's do the calculation. Little bit here I have messed up, so no issue. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 0 again is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 12 plus 6 is 18. So point here, 1 in hand. This is a 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1 in hand again. So 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. So 2 in hand. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 2 in hand. 2 plus 1 is 3. So money saved by them. How much did they save altogether, right? Therefore, rupees 3105.85 was saved together. You may write together. Okay, that's all. Simple. So this way you are going to do it. Okay, so it's easy, right? So I've done in a very simple manner. Just do it, practice a lot. Okay, so let us now proceed to question number 7. Okay, here we have the question number 7. It states that Ekta took her friends for a party. Okay, they ordered the items given alongside. So they have ordered these items. Okay, so first question what you have to do is find the total amount she has to pay. So find the total amount she has to pay. That means what you have to do, you have to plus it, all this one. Okay, so what you are going to write is, for part A, it is total amount paid is equal to, you'll plus it here. Okay, in the rough copy, you rough work, you may do it. 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 0 is 10. Now 1 in hand, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 0 is 8, 8 plus 6 8, 9 10 11 12 13 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. So 2 in hand, before the decimal. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. Yes, 6 plus 8 is 14, 14 plus 3 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21. So 2 in hand again, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 4, 25, 23. So 2 in hand again, 2 plus 2 is 4. So that means how much they have to pay? They have to pay is rupees 431. Okay children, so find the total amount she has to pay is rupees, total amount paid is equal to rupees 431 after ordering all this. Now the part B question is, if she gives rupees 500 note at cash counter, how much? Okay, it's very easy. 500 amount they are giving. Okay, 500 rupee note is they are giving to the cash counter, and how much money will be returned to them will be a home assignment. Easy one, no? We have done this one. Only the thing is, addition should be done it very properly. One by one it should be done. If you are having a problem in doing this together, you may do like this also. 274.75, then 38. Systematic order should be written. Okay, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1, 7 plus 1 8, 9 10 11, 2 plus 1 3. Now okay, this 2 you have added, you have got the answer, this one. Now you will add this 2. You will do this work in your rough copy. Okay, rough side, not in your main copy, because this will make dirty otherwise. 5 plus 0 5, 6 plus 6 is 12, 1 in hand. Do it in a very understandable and a clear manner, otherwise you'll get confused. Okay, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now you have added this 2, you got this. You have added this 2, you got this. Now you will add this 2 number, this and this number. 312.75 plus 118.25. Now add this 2. You'll get 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 in hand, 1 in hand. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 in hand again. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 8 is 11, 1 in hand again. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. You got the answer, 431. We got the answer, 431. If you are having a problem, then you may do this way also. Okay children, so with this we are over with the self practice at F. So now we will be proceeding with the self practice 8G. Okay, alright, here we have the question number 1 from self practice 8G. The question is, find the product. Product means you have to multiply. I hope you remember the previous sum in our previous class. Sorry, you have done multiplication, that is to find the product, right? But here only the difference is decimal is there, not a big deal. Today we are going to learn how to multiply with in the presence of decimal also. Okay, so it is a simple division method, sorry, multiplication method. How we supposed to do? Suppose there was no decimal, like it was 105 into 3, then how you used to do was 3 5s are 15, 1 in hand, 3 0s is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 1s are 3, 315. Now just see the condition here. 3 5s are 15, yes, 1 in hand, 1 should be here, not here, not in decimal, above the decimal also. It should be above the, before the decimal digit. Okay, now 3 0s is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 3 1s are 3. Now where to put the decimal? Now decimal will not go, otherwise what will be the difference, right? Here we don't have the decimal, here we have the decimal. So decimal should be present in case of answer also. It will be here. because 3 5s are 15. Now we are crossing the boundary, that means crossing the decimal, so we should cross the decimal now. Or you may think like this also, how after the decimal how many digits are there? 1. So after the decimal only 1 digit should be there. Okay, like we cannot put a decimal sign here if such is the condition. Okay, so if after the decimal only 1 digit is there, okay, only 1 digit is there, then you have to put the decimal before 1 digit only. Okay, it's easy one, right? So here just see, decimal is just after the decimal there are 2 digit. Now you will come to know where you will put. 6 5s are 30. 3 will be here, not here, because there after the decimal there are 2 digit. 6 5s are 30, 3 should be here. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. Now point will be here because we have to cross the boundary, that means decimal, so 1 will be here. 6 2 is 12, okay, 12 plus 3 is 15. Now 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 1 is 49, 4 will be here. 6 8s are 48, 48 plus 4, 52, 5 here. 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So this is the answer. Just see, after the decimal there were 2 digits. Now in the answer also, after the decimal there are 2 digits. If after the decimal there are 3 digits, there will be 3 digits only. Okay. So this one is not visible. So part C I am writing here 229.50.16. Okay, don't forget to write rupees, as because rupees sign is mentioned here. So in the answer also you'll write rupees 31.9. Okay, part C I am doing here. Okay, 16, 6 0s are 0, 6 5s are 30, 3 will be here. 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 is 57. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 1 in hand. Now 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 again 13. Now this is not over yet, yes, because we have one more digit left in the with which you are multiplying, right? So 1 0s are 0, 1 5s are 5, 1 9s are 9, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. Now if you don't put here decimal also, you'll come to know at the end, at the answer point, where you'll put the decimal. Where was the decimal? Where was the decimal in the question? It was before the 2 digit. Now in the answer also you'll put before the 2 digit only. Now count it. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 in hand. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, again 1 in hand. 3 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3. Now where you'll put the 0? Here. 0 should be before the 2 decimal, or after the decimal there should be 2 0, as because in the question also you may not put decimal in between these two, this step. Okay, you may not put, it's not mandatory, it's not very compulsory, but at the end and in the answer side it should be mentioned where should be the decimal. Okay, student, part C is over. Now let us proceed to part D, which will be a home assignment. It's also the easiest one. Okay, so this one you are going to do it as a home assignment. So now let us proceed to question number 2 also. Okay, student, in question number 2 we will be dealing with division. In question number 1 we dealt with the multiplication. Here we are going to deal with division. Okay, so part A question here is rupees 68.535 divided by 5 means you have to divide this number with 5. So 5 68.35. Okay, so just see the step you have to look. The method is similar to the one which you used to do before, where the question was without the decimal. Here you have a decimal, only the difference is, so let us start doing. 5 1s are 5, 6 minus 5 1, 8 will be below here. Okay, 5 4s are 20 is not possible, so 5 3s are 15. 8 minus 5 is 3. Now you have to bring this 3 down, but the decimal point also should be given because we are crossing the boundary, so decimal should be mentioned here. Okay, or you may say that after the decimal point there are 2 digits in the question, So after the decimal, you will have a 2 digit. Okay. So now 5 6 are 30. 3 here. 5 is down there. Now 5 7 are 35. Just see, it's easy, no? After the decimal, how many digits are there in the question? After the decimal, there are 2 digits. Yes. Or if you don't put the decimal also, by seeing this question only, you can predict that after the decimal there are 2 digits. So after the decimal in the question answer also there will be 2 digits. That is 13 rupees. 13.67 will be the answer. Okay. So proceeding to part B. Okay, I'll write the question. Rupees 785.16 by 8. Okay. So 8 is a divisor here, and 785.16 is your dividend. Let us start dividing. 8 9 is 72, because 8 10 is 80. No, not possible. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 7 0. Now 5 will be down there. 8 8 is 64. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. As you are crossing the boundary now, we have to put the boundary here. Then we can cross the boundary. Okay. Okay. Now 8 1 8 is possible, because 8 2 is 16 will be bigger number. 11 minus 8 is 3. This 6 will be down there. 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 8 4 is 32. 8 5 is 40. So 8 4 is 32 is only possible. So it is. Now here is one trick. Okay, you have already given the decimal, right, in the answer side, that is in the question part. You have already given the decimal, so you can put the 0, because this 0 will come from here, which is imaginary, right, which will not vary your question that much. So we can bring this imaginary 0 down here. Or you may think that you have already given the decimal in your answer part, so with the help of this decimal, this 0 has come up. Okay, so 8 5 is 40. So the answer is rupees 98.145. Okay children, so this is the concept. Okay, so whenever you have the decimal in your answer part, you can, if there is suppose no digit after this 6, right, there is no any number, so we can think that there is a 0. So we can bring that 0 on only one single time. After dividing again, also we are getting a reminder that no need to put 0 again and again. Only for single time you will put the 0, then your answer will be there. Okay. So the part C is left out from question number 2. Rupees 985.16 by 11 will be a home assignment. Okay, so this will be as a practice work for your upcoming examination. So do it. Okay, till then you practice a lot. In our next class we will be proceeding with question number 3. Okay, so stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.